Let's discuss signing off on completed documents. Sign-offs can only happen once all the information for a document has been filled in. To sign and complete a document, open the document from the Site Details page. Remember, incomplete documents are either blue or gold, and all documents require 2 signatures. To access the signature page, select the document you are responsible for signing. The status indicator will show a green pass once your document has been completely filled out. You may then proceed to sign. Click the Signature button. The signature page will remind you to enter the permit number before proceeding. You may still move forward with signing and completing the form without this information. However, remember that a permit number is required before downloading the final documents. Let's revisit what we said earlier about the signature process on these documents. Each document requires 2 signatures. The first required signature is of the document author. The document author enters data into the document. The second signature is from the responsible person. The responsible person is legally liable for the information on this form. Here are some examples of what this might look like. Example 1. Installer A inputs data into the Cheers registry. Installer A also installs the equipment. Installer A is both the document author and the responsible person. Example 2. Rater A inputs data for Installer B. Rater A can use the signature of authority to sign on behalf of Installer B. Installer B is the responsible person. Rater A is the document author. Let's get back to the walkthrough. If you are both the document author and the responsible person, select Sign and Close, or Sign and Next to sign the next document in your project. When you are logged into an account and you complete a document, the system will automatically default you as the document author. If you are the document author only, select Click here to sign as the document author. This will bring you to the Sign Form as Author page. From here, you have 2 options. If the responsible person is present, they may enter their credentials. Then click Sign and Close to sign the document, or Sign and Next if you are signing another document after this one. If the responsible person is not present, you can designate the responsible signer. This will notify them to sign the document. Then click Sign and Close or Sign and Next. Let's head back to the Site Details page. On the Site Details page, documents will reflect their current status. Green indicates pass. Documents that are either not started or not signed appear as blue. Documents that appear as gold and display a trash can icon but no lock icon means the document is assigned for completion. Documents that appear in gold and display a lock icon and a trash can icon means the document is assigned for signature. When documents have been finalized with signatures, you can download a copy of this document. Click the PDF icon on the left-hand side of the document. You can also download and send documents using the buttons at the top right of the Site Details page. These tools will allow you to either download or send all your completed documents as one PDF. Remember, after a document has been completed and signed, it can still be replaced. To do this, click the lock icon to replace this document, then make the necessary changes. When the status indicator shows a green pass, the document can be signed. That's it. You're now ready to fill out and sign your documents.